Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I am incredibly excited to be announcing a line expansion from Premier Yarn. So, I once full transparency was gifted this yarn to share with you guys here on the channel from Premier. So, I have not paid for this, but I have bought a lot of yarn from this line in the past. So I am very excited. As of noon today, if you are seeing this video, Premier has launched Premier Anti-Pilling Everyday Superfine. I am so excited to see another line expansion here. If you've been around the channel, you will know how I feel about the Everyday Anti-Pilling line anyway. I have been purchasing and using this yarn since it was very first released as the Deborah Norville collection, or Deborah Norville Everyday Yarn. So my oldest project using this line is from 2012, and we'll talk about that in just a little bit. First off, I want to share this yarn with you. So they did send me 12 of the 24 colors that they have launched with this first run. And I'll give you the specs real quick. We have Premier Anti-Pilling Everyday Superfine, like new, wash after wash, 443 yards, 400 meters, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 100% anti-pilling acrylic. Recommended knitting needle is a 2.75 millimeter or a US size 2. Recommended crochet hook is a 3.5 millimeter size E. So we have the color cream. We have sky, navy. We have carrot, blush, mustard. And I have something special planned for the navy, sky, and mustard yarns here. We have pine green. We have treetop. We have peach blossom. And oddly enough, I really love the peach with the three greens here. I think that's just a really pretty combination. We have fawn, mist, and snow white. So we've got a nice combination of tones, a nice variation in the neutrals here in this line. For the first launch of this size, 20 colors is a nice span to give us just kind of like your basic covering of things. So yeah, I am very excited about this line expansion. It's very nice to have when you have a yarn like this that you love working with and enjoy your finished garments, your finished objects with so much. It's nice to know that you can get this in so many different things. Over the years, we've had DK Colors, which was part of the anti-pilling. Obviously, we've had the Everyday Worsted line, which is part of that. We've had another DK yarn that was launched. We've had the premium anti-pilling line. So they've done a lot to expand this line. Now, like I said, I've been using this since the first run of the original back in the day Deborah Norville collection. And I'm going to slide this box here into the floor while we talk about that. So I'm pretty sure this launched either 2010 or 2011. I made my blanket in August of 2012. I pulled it up on Ravelry. It is there. So if you go to my account, you can see my projects. And this is down there for 2012. This was my primary sofa blanket for many years. This was my sofa blanket through 2 grandkids, baby and toddler stages. And this was never treated with gentle hands or anything else. We're just, cats, kids. There's obvious wear to this, but for a blanket that's been used as heavily as this one has been and laundered as heavily as this one has been, even I'm still surprised. Like, I still put this out at Christmas time. This is still something that goes out on the sofa every year for Christmas. This is on my quilt rack in my living room year round. Like, this is still on display in my home. This isn't something that I keep buried in a closet because it's a comfort piece or I made it. This is something that's still actively used in my home. Now, with my grandkids, you know, things got spilled on it. Accidents occurred. During the infant stage, my granddaughter was very colicky, so we had a lot of upset tummies. So this was not laundered carefully. This was put in hot loads with towels, put through the dryer on high heat. This was not treated gently. Most of the things I hand knit and crochet, even if the yarn is machine washable, I don't normally machine wash and dry my items. I might wash them on cold, gentle cycle, but I will never put them in the dryer. This has been put through the washer and the dryer over the course of many years and many repeated high wash, high dry situations, and it still looks this good. And I've shared this blanket before during my Just Yes yarn series where we talked about the anti-pilling line, as well as one of the videos where we talked about ancient projects that I made before I started this channel. This blanket's been around and heavily used and still looks great. So I'm very excited to see a finer, lighter weight of the yarn coming out because I have a couple of projects that this will be perfect for. Like I said, I have something I'm designing using the 2 blues and the mustard automatically. And I have something else that I might also try to make with these, but I am so over the moon about this expansion. And this works perfectly with the timing for the make-along for another year of the make-alongs because we are coming to the end of quarter 2, start of quarter 3, which means we changed the yarn weight we're focusing on. And now we're focusing on everything from fingering weight down. So our lace weight, thread weight, and fingering weight yarn. So this kind of plays perfectly into the make-alongs for me as well. So I'm very excited. I do have a link down below if you were interested in purchasing through my link. Like I said, this has now gone live. If you are seeing this video, this is now live. It went live at noon the day I uploaded this. I'm very excited for this launch. The colors look great. The feel is wonderful. You can tell we still have that classic medium twist to the plies. So we're not, you know, overly loose, overly tight. It doesn't have that squeaky feeling on the fingers a lot of acrylic has. It's just a nice, soft, smooth yarn to work with. So since Premier was kind enough to send this yarn to me, I would like to send part of this to one of you guys. So hidden giveaway embedded in the back end of this video. Like I said, I am going to be using some of this yarn to do a designed project, but I would like to give some of it away as well. So if you comment on this video, tell me what your favorite color is for the release and what you would make with it. And leave that in a comment down below. I will draw a winner on July 1st at noon Eastern time. So by noon Eastern, have your comment down below letting me know what you would make with the Superfine Everyday and what your favorite color from the release is. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel as well, and I can see your subscriptions. Have your subscriptions visible to others. But yeah, I am super duper excited about this. I'm very excited about the project. I was in the process of thinking my way through it. When Premier reached out, I was like, oh, great. You know, that'll be fun to play with. And then I realized when I opened and saw what colors they had sent, I was like, this is going to be perfect. I'm so excited. So it just lined up. It's that serendipity fate thing. It just kind of worked out perfectly. So get your comments and everything in. Please be to receive a package from me. You do have to be in the US. Unfortunately, I cannot afford to send packages out of the country at this time. It's way cost prohibitive at this point. So be in the US, be subscribed to the channel, leave a comment telling me what your favorite color is and what you would make with the Superfine Everyday. So I love you guys. I hope you're as excited about this as I am. I look forward to seeing you real soon. Please take care of yourselves. Bye, you guys.